I did roast garlic in the oven and use that as a smashed spread on your bread. That is a smashed spread on your bread. Pretty good.
Nice.
Pretty good.
And that bread's not as fattening.
Oh my god. Who's man?
Fuck. Damn.
What the fuck? Oh
I got that on video. What the fuck?
Holy fuck, dude. Oh.
Christ almighty, what the fuck?
Uncle Brad. And so anyway, I may go down later in the week, just to say hey and all that stuff, but I'm not going to be down there for
know what he can fix it for.
Yeah.
You know, Mari already told me earlier, she said this job is bad. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah. So to
Holy fucking Jesus.
White car. Jeez, oh my god.
Bro, this guy is really not driving his car right now. He's ghosting it right now. And homie has a mask on. You gotta stay safe while you're not driving your vehicle on the freeway while you're ghosting it.
The rhinos and globalists, Fox News should only use real stars. So let's look at this in pieces. First of all, the word is milk toast. M-I-L-Q-U-E. It has a couple of...
But I also think, God, if you wanted to get someone that you could easily discredit, if you had a propulsion system that was baffling you,
wasn't a mechanically released door. It was electronically locked. And you can also tell if you're yanking on the door, and it's very clearly being held shut, maybe with the very top. But the bottom of the door is wiggling by a quarter inch, half inch. You're like, all right, that's a mag lock. That's a magnetic lock at the top of this door. I'm pretty sure we electronically can release that mag lock. Either looking around, you see, I don't see any push to exit buttons through the windows. No, it's gotta be looking through the window some more. It's gotta be a sensor somewhere. Where is that rec sensor? Normally,